Here's another quick clip from Dan as it relates to risk and using custom reports. So today we want to go ahead and look at hand keys and understanding how our hand keys being used in our stores. So I've already built some reports, and what I want to do is go to load query, and we're going to go ahead and look at a meat hand key. So a lot of grocers hand key at meat within their stores, and a lot of the times it's used for specialty orders or something that was maybe for a large company or catering or something of that nature. And so we're really not going to talk about those scenarios. We're going to talk about the types of transactions that we see that are smaller dollar amounts and wanting to know why the label wasn't scanned. So after we execute, we'll see that these transactions populate. So you can see there's going to be a lot of large hand keys, and this is probably going to be special events, catering, or whatnot. I'm going to scroll down towards the bottom. I want to go ahead and look at some of these low dollar ones. So like for instance, here's one where the total transaction amount was $7.42. So let's take a peek at that transaction. And what we're going to find out is we had a meat hand key right here for $5.03. However, the other items scanned perfectly fine. This may be something that we want to go ahead and look at and understand why were these items hand keyed and a label wasn't scanned. You'll also notice here, we're looking at transactions now within the parameters. This is not going to be something that just the dashboard will show, and that is the power of having Report Center and customizing your own reports. I hope you find this tip helpful. And if you have any additional questions or need additional support, feel free to contact us. Thank you.